Hello everyone, welcome to this session on Introduction to Programming using Python. Today we will learn what is programming, why Python is great language for beginners, and how programming help us to create software, website, games, and many others technology. By the end of this session, you will understand the basic of programming and write your first Python program. Let's start. What is programming? First of all, we have to know what is programming and how it will give the instruction to the computer. Programming is the process of writing or giving instruction that tells a computer what to do and how to do. These instructions are written in programming language like Python and many more. Programmers create applications, websites, games, and even artificial intelligence systems using code. Python is beginner-friendly and powerful language in the world. Learning programming also improves logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Why Python is important and why we have to learn? Because Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is beginner friendly because its syntax is simple and easy to read. Python is used in many fields such as web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, and data science. Another advantage of Python is that Python has a huge community, which means there are many tutorials and resources available in online. Let's start our first Python program. Here we see a simple Python program. The command print hello world tells the computer to display the text hello world on the screen. This is usually the first programmer for beginner to learn because it introduces the basic structure of Python code. It shows how easy Python syntax can be and how can we easily read and crack our Python language. For today, we learn why programming, why programming, what is programming, why Python is important, and the advantage of Python. To conclude this session, I'll tell some basic keywords, just like programming is an important skill in today's digital world. Python is a great starting point because it is simple, powerful, and widely used. The best way to learn programming is through practice and small projects. To exploring, keep coding, and continue building your skills step by steps. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. Bye bye. See you.